All right, right here, today I am going to show you how to change the preferred language and region um, on your Mac computer. Right here, I am on the home screen. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to System Preferences. In order to get there, I'm just going to go down here to the Launchpad, click the Launchpad, and then I'm going to go down to System Preferences right here, click on that. And once in here, I'm going to find the icon that says language and region. That's at the top of the page right here. Click on that. And then once in here, I can change the preferred language. All right. So, like right here, it has options right here. The primary preferred language right here is English UK. I'm actually going to change that to English US because that's the better English. Okay. So, I'm going to click on that. All right. And then once you click on that, you're all set. All right. And then just close out. Hold on. Let me do this. All right. I'm going to move this, subtract that, the English UK. All right. Now the English US is the primary English on my computer. All right. Let me know if you have any questions. And it's also going to ask you to restart. Yes. Restart now. All right. Let me know if you have any questions.